Hey friends and folks, this is Rob. We're over here. We're on a lot. I want to welcome you first of all to Land Bankers TV. Thanks for being on today. We're gonna have a lot of fun here, and we're gonna show you some lots. We're on here right now. We're on a street called Lambright Street. Okay, so as you can see over there, that's Lambright. Okay, we're in a little town called Gulf Cove. Okay, it's in Englewood, Florida. So we're in Charlotte County, and as you guys know, I love buying lots. So this is a great lot. It's an 80 by 125. It's a corner lot, so it's good for building. People love building lots, and that's great too. I think the road might be a little bit of a busy road, but that's okay. People like busy roads, and you know, like what I always say, folks, in real estate, especially now, we're in an end user market. So that means typically, most likely, the chances are very high, whoever's buying this lot is going to be building on it, and they're going to be using it. And could be an investor in front of me, maybe one, that's fine, that happens. So the good news about that is in an end user market, that means everything is very stable. So we're in a very stable market, unlike tons of investors inflating, which is better actually for me when tons of investors are coming in. It's better for you too. But a stable market is nice because you know whatever lot you buy, you're gonna be able to sell as long as we use some of the tricks in this price. Now here's what I like, look at this one. It's got some nice trees, some nice pines. It's got a nice oak in there, nice palmettos, but it's not overloaded with so many trees that it's going to cost a ton of money clearing it, okay? And by the way, we have a land clearing company, so if you ever need clearing, that's fine. But like stuff like right here, like this Brazilian pepper that you see, that's typical stuff, that's fine. This is a nice open lot. It's great, it's on a corner. There's a lot of development on the street. People like that. And we're in a community that's very in high demand. It's called Gulf Cove. There's a private boat ramp. There's the water's right over that way. So it's going to be great. So I like it. I'm out here today because tomorrow this lot's going up on the tax deed auction. So I'm going to buy it. I'm going to bid on it, the tax deed. The one thing I love about tax deeds, there's no other bidders. Maybe there might be one or two. So this lot, they owe, I think about, I don't know, maybe $2,000, $1,900. I'll probably get that for whatever's owed in taxes, maybe $100 more. So that's the good part. So I'm gonna have this lot for $2,000 easily. There's 3 lots down the road right there. You can probably see those signs. Those are $12,500 a piece. So I'll turn around, I'll just flip this one at, you know, I don't know, $8,900 or something just to sell it real quick, you know? So that's a great buy. Now, when you buy the tax deed, you do have to do something called quiet title. So that costs some extra money, takes some time, but you know, I'll show you that process, I'll teach you about it. But either way, it's gonna cost about maybe $2,500 to $3,000 for that. So that puts me all in at $5,000, so it's nice, you know? So there's also some strategies that we use to mitigate the tax, the quiet title to make it go faster. It's typically a 4-month process. We have a way to narrow it down to 20 days. Yes, that's right, 20 days. So that's what we're gonna do. And this one is perfect for it. So that's why I'm excited. I'm gonna bid on this one. Now we're gonna go look at